Hey cuties, in this video we are going to make this little cute starfish. This is very easy to make, and if you are a beginner you can make it. And let's get started without further wasting our time. So here I'm using this 3-play acrylic yarn. So you can use cotton yarn as well, and along with that I'm using 2.5 millimeter hook, and if you want it in a bigger size you can use 3.5 as well, and this is a sixer. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger, insert your hook like this and make a chain to make it secure like this. And after that, so here I'm making 10 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into the magic circle, pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through the both 3 loops like this. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the magic circle, pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through the both 3 loops like this. Again, you have to repeat the same step. Yarn over, insert your hook into the magic circle, yarn over again, pull through the both 3 loops, and you have to repeat that step until you have 10 half double crochet. And it's super easy to make, so repeat that step until you get your 10 half double crochet. So you have to repeat the same step. So here I'm gonna pull this magic ring and give it a good shape. So as you can see the little circle. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slip stitch into the very first half double crochet, like the first one that we make in the beginning, like this one. So just insert your hook into it and make a slip stitch like the way I'm making it. Like this, insert your hook, pull up a loop and make a slip stitch. So see how beautifully it turns out. So after that I'm gonna make 8 chains, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, chain 6, chain 7 and the last chain 8. After making 8 chains, you have to make a slip stitch into the second chain and just skip the first chain. After making the slip stitch, you have to make a single crochet into the third one, and into the fourth one or the next stitch you have to make a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull over a yarn and pull through the both 3 loops, and into the 4 next stitches you have to make double crochet like this. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull over a yarn over again, pull through 2, pull through the last 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull over a yarn over again, pull through 2 and pull through the last 2, and you have to repeat this till end. And this is the last half double crochet. Like this. So after making it, you have to skip the first stitch and make a slip stitch into the next stitch like this. So as you can see, you get your first starfish arm. So again you have to make chain 8 and you just have to repeat the same pattern till you got your 5 arms. So first you have to do a slip stitch and then you have to do a single crochet into the next stitch. This is very easy to make, just watch it carefully. So if you are a beginner, you can also make it. And then into the next stitch we are going to make a half double crochet. So into the next 4 stitches we are going to make 4 double crochet, like 1 double crochet into each stitch, and repeat it till the end like the way I am doing. This is so easy. Just yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over again and pull through 2 and pull through the 2. So here I am making the last stitch like this. So after making this, in the same way you have to skip the next stitch and make a slip stitch into the next stitch like this. So here you got your 2 starfish arms. So let's make the third one. Again in the same way, make chain 8 and after making chain 8 we are going to repeat the same step. So slip stitch and 1 single crochet to the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, and into the 4 next stitches we are going to do 4 double crochet and just repeat it till you got your 5 starfish arms. So as you can see, we get our 3 arms. So make the 2 more arms in the same way. So after making the 5 arms, I'm gonna skip the first next stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch like the way I did it before. So here I'm changing the yarn. I'm using white yarn. You can use any other color. So insert your hook into the stitch and grab the other yarn and like this and just pull it and make a slip stitch, because we have to make a slip stitch along its edges to give it a beautiful shape. So that's why I'm using a different color. You can make it with the same color which we used before. So I'm gonna slip stitch on the edges, like the edges, like the way I'm doing. Just insert your hook and pull over a yarn and then make a slip stitch. And I'm gonna repeat that pattern onto every starfish arm. It's not that much hard. Just practice it and you can make it. Just give it a try. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then make a slip stitch. So here I'm gonna cut the blue yarn and I'm gonna make a knot between these two white and blue yarn to make it more secure so it does not come out. So insert your hook back into the stitch and make a slip stitches onto the edges of the starfish like this. So here I am about to reach the starfish arm top. So here I'm gonna make a slip stitch and make a chain like chain 1 and continue doing the same thing, like continue doing the slip stitch onto the edges. So whenever you reach the starfish arm top, you have to make a chain 1 to give it a good shape, like more pointed shape. So repeat it till the end and I'll meet you in the end. So here I have almost completed the 2 arms of the starfish. So look how beautiful it is looking. So I'm going to repeat the same pattern onto the third, fourth and fifth arm. So just make a slip stitch on the edges. It's so simple, like this. So look how beautiful it is looking. So here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just cut that white yarn and just cut it out like this, and so I'm use the yarn needle to make a knot. So insert the hook, insert your needle. I have to basically make a knot like at the back, so I'm just pulling this little yarn end at the back side, and I will make a knot between these two like ends at the end like this. Here I got my like 4 yarn ends, so I'm gonna make like knots so it become more secure and this does not come out. Just make a knot between the two yarn ends like the way I'm doing. You can make like 1 knot or 2 knots, and I just made like 1 knot. So look how pretty it is. Just make knots and then cut that yarn end and your project is completed. It's so simple to make, and if you are a like absolute beginner, you can also make it. Just give it a try and practice is 1 to 3 times and you can make it. So here I'm cutting these yarn ends like this. So here I got my starfish. So pretty. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be so grateful if you like my video and subscribe to my channel, and you should definitely give it a try. It's so beautiful. You can also use it as a keychain. So bye.